everyone. This video is going to give you a quick rundown of the final project and requirements for the course. So you'll have several checkpoints along the way, but basically you're going to be creating an instructional portfolio of at least 4 different topics that we've discussed in class. So the idea is that you pick any 4 of the resources and topics that we've talked about and try to implement or create something where you could implement something into your own practice. So for example, in this model portfolio, the 4 topics that I've picked come from different modules in the course. So for building community, I tried the Pringles Ring Challenge. You're going to talk about what that topic is, what went well when you implement it into your classroom, improvements for next time, and then some evidence, whether it's a picture or something that you've created where you did implement that into your course. So keep that in mind. This isn't something that you want to wait till the last week. You definitely want to start implementing them as you go, so that way you do have that evidence and can reflect on how it went by the end of the course. So the first time this is going to come up is during week 3. By week 3, the beginning of February, you should make an appointment with your instructional building coach where you're going to talk through what 4 activities or topics might you think about making in your final project, and then you're going to actually create your own Padlet. You don't have to have anything in the Padlet, but by week 3, you're going to create it so that way you can share that with the class. By week 5, you should have tried to implement or create at least 2 different topics or activities into your classroom. So by week 5, you should have 2 of these completed or at least started to share with your coach. And then by week 5, by the end of the class, you should have at least 4 topics completed and implemented into your classroom. So if you're having trouble implementing them or thinking about which activities you might implement, please reach out right away. We can try to help you think of those things. It doesn't have to be anything dramatic or intense or really time consuming. You just have to show that you're trying some of these things in your classroom. Hopefully by the end of 8 weeks, you'll have 4 new strategies that you can try with your students.